Viewers, today I show you how to print in Excel. I show you some different methods. You can use it and do this job very good. So you have to watch this video till the end. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also, you have a problem with my video, please give this comment and like, share my comment as well. Okay, let's start. First of all, if you want to print in Excel, you need to go to the print preview first. In a print preview, you can just see whole document is alright or not. So yeah, in the next page, uh, in this Excel sheet there is a 3 page. Okay, so it's alright here. So after that, I go to the print preview again. There is a problem somewhere. This is the first page. After that, there is the next page, then next page. So I need this heading all the page. Okay. Uh, so in this case, we have to use some method to. I want to write down heading one page, but it is automatically go to the other page as well. So how can it do it? I show you now. First of all, you go to the print layout. So print layout, there is option in print title. This option is print title. Okay, click it here. So after that, there is option sheet option. Sheet option, this option we need row to repeat the top. Click here. After that, we select 3 pages, top three heading. Okay, after that click OK. So now you go to the print preview. If you go to the print preview, first page is alright, second page you see there is a heading automatically over there, and next page, third page, there is a heading automatically over there. Okay, so there is 3 pages, but I don't know which page is page 1, page 2, page 3. So we need to mark this. So how can I do it? You go to the print setup again, then go to the header footer. After that we need footer. So write down here, select this one and click here. Okay, so I go to the first page first. Okay. Okay, I go to the print preview. This one is page 1. Okay, now we set up page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, like that. Okay, so it's now in a good position. You need to print like this, and this print is good that time. So I need to set up other things as well. You go to the print setup, then you go to the marge. Okay, in a top margin we need how much, give the margin border. So normally if it is a big page, you need to 0.8. okay, and header you can go 0.5. I put 0.5. left is alright here, and right I want 0.5, and bottom I want to give 0.5 as well. This is standard, and footer also 0.5. okay, then click OK. So it's alright. Now you can print this, ready for print. So you go to the print, click here. After that go to the properties. This place is the A4 page. So if you want to print out color page, if you have a color printer, the show is a color and gray scale. So if you need to color, select color. Okay, if you want to print in a black and white normal, so click it here. So normal result cutter doesn't have the color option, and if you have a color printer, this option is available over there. So okay, after that, so if you want 1 to 3 page, right, from 1 to 3. Okay, then okay. If you want 1 to 4, select 1 to 4. if you want 1 to 4 page in a 2 copy each, so in here number of copy you select 2. Okay, if you want 1 copy each, so click 1, click 1. So this is the way you can set up your print. If you have a problem, please comment below. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.